At FeM Surgery, we provide personalized breast screening options tailored to different needs, and we're focused on advancing women's health through better screening. That's why we're proud to introduce the latest breast imaging technology, the QT scan. The QT scan is an FDA-cleared, HSA-approved, NEA-licensed breast imaging system. It uses quantitative transmission ultrasound to create 3D images of the breast tissue without radiation or compression. It is especially useful to monitor breast health for women with dense breast tissue, women under 40, and existing breast cancer patients who are currently undergoing treatment. The QT scan is not a replacement for mammograms. It is designed to be used as an adjunct to a mammogram where more detailed imaging is needed. FeM Surgery is currently the only medical center in this region offering this technology. It reflects our commitment to provide accessible, advanced, and safe breast screening options. If you're exploring your breast screening options, it's best to speak with a qualified healthcare provider about what's appropriate for you.